Hi, Izzy from Freedom Physical Therapy here. Today I'm joined by Sean and Sydney, and we're going to do a couple of yoga stretches today that you can do with your family, with kids, just to loosen up the body, find a little fun way to play with yoga, and just get on your mat for the day. Today we're going to start off in our tabletop position, bringing our hands underneath the shoulders, with our tailbone up into the air, our hips over our knees, hugging our belly buttons close to the body. With an inhale, we're going to drop our tummy down, open across the chest, lift our gaze nice and high. And exhale, we're going to round through the spine, pull the belly button into the back, tuck the chin under, flex through the back here. Inhale, come down into cow pose. Exhale to round into the spine through cat pose. Doing these a couple of times. Also an option to wag out the tail from side to side, moving the hips, just like a puppy dog does. Coming through all the different planes of motion into the back, and then coming back through center nice and still. If we want, we can also walk the hands forward, pressing our chest down towards the floor, stretching like a puppy dog does, leaning into the back. Good job, guys. And then walking the hands back underneath the shoulders. Next, we're going to stand up nice and tall as we come through a couple standing poses. We're going to stand up nice and tall, hips over our ankles. Take our hands to our waist, nice and proud into the chest. Deep inhale through the nose, see if you can grow a little taller. And exhale to bend into the knees, sit the hips back for chair pose, just like you're going to take a seat into the chair. Inhale, standing up nice and tall. Exhale to sit the hips back. Good. Once more. Inhale to stand up tall. Exhale, bend into the knees, sit the hips back. Inhale, come back up through center. Good. Last pose that we'll go through today is our tree pose. Coming onto our left foot, we're going to kickstand our right toes to the floor. We're going to move our right knee over to the side, and we're going to slowly work that right foot up the leg. Good job, Sean. Nice job, Sydney. And if you want, you can let your arms grow like giant tree branches too, all the way up to the ceiling. And if the wind is blowing, maybe try swaying back and forth. Nice job. And then always on the other side too. Thank you for joining me. These are a few stretches that you can do with your kids for yoga.